So I'm packing my hospital bags at 36 weeks.
Yeah.
Mtu anafaa kupaka akiwa how many weeks? I don't know.
Well. Next question. See ya.
Beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel and another episode of Mumomz. Thank you so much to my returning subscribers. I love you all.
Yeah. I love you.
Love you. Thank you for the support. Thank you for walking with me kwa hii journey. Na tulisema tunaenda hadi mwisho. Au sio? Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Kama bado uja watch, go back and watch. Kuna episode ya open gifts zangu za baby shower, and then doing laundry, and then nesting. Now we are doing packing my hospital bags. We're almost there. So I'm packing my hospital bags at 36 weeks. Mtu anafaa kupaka akiwa how many weeks? I don't know. Lakini nimeona kuna watu wanapaka wakiwa 32, 31, 36. Wengine walisahau kupaka. So me at 36 weeks, I think it's not bad. Yes, so I'm going to pack my hospital bags. Okay? Meanwhile, suggest for me kwa comment below hospitals gani ni poa ku deliver in. I really want to know because tumesuggestiwa kadhaa. Pia I've seen on social media kadhaa, but I really want to know which hospital ni best for delivery. Suggest, comment below tuone which one we will go. Muki yenye itashinda, the next video we are going to go visit there, and then I'm going to do a whole video of it so that you see. Okay? Meanwhile, let's pack the hospital bags. Also, hi basi. My bags are courtesy of Denry. Yeah, so I'm going to start with the baby's bag. I'm not sure I have everything.
I'm still making my research, and any time from now, I will come up with my with absolute research.
If I do not have everything, in my next appointment, I'm just going to talk to my gyna and tell her what I have, what I've packed. And then she'll advise. But for now, I'll pack what I have seen on social media, I have researched, and I've been told by other people other than the guy now. So first and foremost, this is the baby's bag. I'm going to start with the baby shawl / blanket. Okay? And you know, if you want these things, hizi vitu kama bado hauna ujanunua, Mini Mingle Baby World got you. Wakona hizi vitu zote. Wakona hadi hospital bags. So, yeah, so I've started with the blankets. Ikoe hapo chini. And then I have 2 receiving sets. That is the clothes. I have 2 of them. Moja ni heavy, ingine ni nyepesi. Hii iko na 2 trousers. They are different. Hii iko na, you know, this. Hii haina. And then iko na baby vest. Na iko na that. sijui inaitwa nini, aka nika sweater na romper. So that is the one set I'm going to pack. This one is a heavy one, you know. Niliambiwa ni poa kupack 2 sets because you don't know baby anaweza kuwa na sensitive skin or something like that, so anaweza kata such a material la kubali ingine, you never know. So that's why I'm packing this one. Yeah, na hii pia is, I mean, I love the color here. Yeah, if you don't have a receiving set up until now, Mini Mingle Baby World got you. Just reach them out. There we go. That is the first set. And then this is the second set. The second set haina romper, iko na tu these vest, iko na beep, iko na trouser pia, trouser kama hii pia, na kofia. This is my second set. Okay. And then hapa kando, I'm going to pack my diapers. I don't know how many I need, but I pack like 10 of them. If I need more, I'll just, you know, tatumanishana tu. But for now, you may pack 10 of them. Okay. And then, of course, wipes, courtesy of Kenan. So nimepack diapers na wipes hapo kando. Then I have actually 4 receiving sets, zote ni different textures, I mean, just in case. So I'm packing the receiving sets here. Receiving blankets. There we go. And then the flannels, I'll pack 4 of them just in case, you know, you never know. Because I heard this is the first thing the nurse asks for. Okay, and I will see.
Yeah.
Nimeona mahali. Nimesoma mahali. So yeah, vitu nyingi zimeingia hapo. Yes, and then I would do since hiyo set ingine ilikuwa na kofia, I'll just do an extra kofia. These ones I'm going to pack here. I'll just do an extra kofia. I'm carrying 3 mittens just in case, and 3 pairs of socks. And there we go. Baby's bag. You go top. I don't know if I need anything else. If I do, I'll just add this. But yeah, there we go. So we're going to do, oh, this is the diaper bag. Diaper bag imekuja nayo. So we're going to do mommy's bag. Basically, I don't think I need a lot of things, but kuna vitu nilisahau kuchukua.
No! God, please, no! No!
Let me put this one here. I know it's supposed to be there, but I'll put it here. Because I don't think I need a lot. Okay, so far is the disposable panties. Yeah. Then breast pads. Then lasso. I don't know what the lasso is. I have no idea why I'm starting this and this, but I'm sure in my next clinic I'll be told everything. But for now I'm just doing from, as in I'm packing vitu zenye nimeona online what you need to pack basically. Then nursing dera. I forgot to buy a nursing bra.
No, not the again.
I'll do so and add it here. And then kitu yenye nilisikia ni very important ni charger. I have this cute bag from Denry as well, so I'm going to pack my two tiny things here. You know, it's a new bag, so kufungua ni since sikuwa nimefungua. So I'm going to pack my two little beautiful things here, and that is a charger. I don't know what else I'll need, but if anything else, I'll just add it here. Yes. So basically, hapa kwa mom, I'll just I'll add a nursing bra. You know, to how. Bye. Yeah. Iko na pia kaka bag. Inakuwa natumia kubeba to money, you know, just because I can. And then the nursing pillow, finally. The nursing pillow. So there we go. That is how I've packed my hospital bags. If I've missed anything, I'll just because I know what I've packed, I'll just write them down, and then on my next clinic I'll tell the doctor this is what I've packed, alafu tuone advice atanipatia if I need anything else. Yeah, thank you so much for tuning in up until the end.
I thank all of you so much.
That was me packing my hospital bags. If you have any other advice, please comment below. Tell me what else nimemiss. Kwa wenye wako wanajua, I hope I've helped somewhere. I'm also new to this. Tunaenda na you know what we know by now. But yeah, Also, like I said, suggest down below which hospital is perfect for delivery.
Shooter, babe.
Okay, and then we'll see about that. So thank you so much for tuning in from the beginning up until the end. I hope you loved the video. Please share, comment, like. Let's walk kwa hii journey together, sindio? Thank you for tuning in up until the end. I love you guys. I love you. Mwah. See you on to the next video. And the next video tumesema ni the hospital that itakuwa suggested the most. We will go and visit it and see how it is, and then decide from there how it will be. Okay? See you guys.